I'm going to make me a cup of coffee before I go any further. I've been out here cleaning the barn, and I decided to clean the barn because of one of these. I stepped on this thing. It's not in the video, and I'm glad it's not, but I did the splits here in the barn. 71-year-old doing the splits. But anyway, I'm going to make me a cup of coffee. I just thought I'd mention that. We got to kind of keep the safety first. There's people coming and going here, and I don't want anybody to get hurt. I got one match. Can we do it? Let's see. Turn that on. Yes. Down to my, well, I'm not down to my last match, but I'm running out. And also I'm going to make that cup of coffee. I'm going to make that my friend Rodney, Creek Camper. He gave me this. Let me hold it out here. He gave me this skillet, and first thing I'm going to make me a cup of coffee, a cup of instant coffee. That'll make a good coffee pot right there. Hold on a second here. Let me get this adjusted a little bit. There we are, right there. That'll make a good cup of coffee. And it gets hot really quick too, so that ought to be enough to make a cup. Let's see how long it takes to boil there. Okay, what we got going on right here is I'm making some, I don't know what they're called, but I need them. I'm going to call them L brackets. I was going to use these, but they're a little bit too big, and I'll show you what I'm going to use them for here in a minute. That's what it looks like right there. It's got two holes drilled in it and one right there, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. I really need those to go on the bottom of that amble stand right there to keep it from turning over. So my deal is I'm going to mount it to the floor and then to the thing that holds the amble there. I'll give you some idea right there. And they'll be all the way around. I'm not exactly sure, some kind of L bracket, but it'll be to hold that amble down. We got water boiling. Heck yeah, we do. Folgers instant coffee. I'm going to make a pot of real coffee in here one of these days, but just not right now. Let me turn this off. We got the water hot, that's for sure. This is the skillet, again, that I got from Rodney. First thing we ever made out of this skillet was a cup of coffee. Perfect. Perfect amount of water. A little bit left over. There we go. Set that back up there. Stir the coffee a little bit, and I'll get right back with you. And real quick, as you know, we tried a little piece of cable Damascus, and it did not work out, and I'm not sure if I'll do that again. And this was the drift that we were working on. We're going to come back, put that on the drawing board, and see if we can't do that again. This is a project that I was working on, and I found it in here. I didn't really lose it. It was just laid up in here, but we're going to get back on this project real soon right there. But and the drift. But I've showed you these before, and real quick. You got to keep that shop clean now, that's for sure. And I find these. This hatchet I got at an auction the other day. I just picked that one up, but these two right here, I've had here for over a year. and they were hid over there in the corner, and I found them today. But anyway, there's the mess that we've swept up so far. We've cleaned the workbenches off. Oh, I found this piece of metal here. I have been looking everywhere for this, and I need it for something. But those are the little L brackets that we made, and we're going to try to mount them to the floor and the animal stand to keep it from falling over. But we do still got a little bit more work right there to do. I don't want to bore you too much. And let me walk out here real quick. We got a lot of cleaning to do out here. Spring will be here, I think, in about 8 days. But let me say God bless to you. God bless America. Thanks for coming by and watching the video. And we'll catch you in the next one.